Meaning of Eleanor of Castile.
Eleanor of Castile.
Eleanor of Castile.
Eleanor of Castile.
Eleanor of Castile. Eleanor of Castile was a medieval queen of England and the wife of King Edward I. She was born in 1241 and died in 1290. Eleanor was known for her piety and her support of religious institutions. She also played an important role in the administration of her husband's estates. After her death, Edward I had several crosses erected in her memory along the route taken by her funeral procession. These crosses became known as Eleanor crosses and were among the most significant works of medieval English art.